Good morning, Rob. How are you?
Doing great, doing great. Good morning, everybody. Our Monday starting off kind of a continuation of so many mornings past. Numbers in the 70s, quite a bit up in the 70s. I think again today those temperatures are going to stay in the 80s because we should have clouds and showers to help keep those temperatures from getting too hot. And then we do it all over again tomorrow. Not a lot of change in this forecast, but the same very humid setup sticking around probably for several more days this week. Now, I don't see a lot of showers out there just yet. Maybe a couple of sprinkles near the I-75 corridor down to the south. Almost every spot checking in between 72 and 74 till you hit Apalachicola, where it's 77 this morning. So it's a warm start across the region. It's a humid start too. Not a lot of wind to help stir things up. So we are on the lookout for some of that patchy fog. I don't see too much, but I do see spots like Perry, like Live Oak, even Valdosta. Our visibility is reduced a little bit, and there's going to be some fog when the air is this full of moisture. Now, the overall weather pattern, it's not changing. We're bottled up in the warm, humid, sticky stuff. Any of the drier air is indicated by the darker colors here on the water vapor imagery, and that's up over the Ohio Valley, so a good long way from here, and that means our forecast remains about the same. That constant threat for showers, even though it doesn't rain all the time. And I do think most of us will see at least a few scattered showers at times today, and that should do their part in keeping the temperatures from getting too high. Here's the futurecast, and we can see as we go through the day, it's going to be those downpour and done 20 or 30-minute rains and then finished. And there'll be lots of periods during the day, several hours at a time, where it's not raining, but that constant threat for more showers, that look and feel like it should be raining, that's what we're going to have to keep dealing with. Now, out in the tropics, not much going on, Gulf or Caribbean, not anymore. Across the Atlantic, we've got that one hiccup way out there that does look like it's got at least some chances for development. But for the time being, those chances really small. That means the tropics staying nice and quiet the way we like to see them. On the Gulf close to home, we start with the winds out of the east, and they'll turn a little bit more to the northwest, 5 to 15, seas 1 to 3 feet. This morning, we've got the rain chances maybe 50-50. I don't expect a lot of showers, but I do think there'll be some developing at times. Temperatures in the 70s, topping out later on today, staying in the 80s. We'll bump those rain chances up even higher to like 70%, so a pretty good shot no matter where you are to get wet today. I don't expect all day everybody gets wet kind of rains, but I do think there's a really good chance for some of those showers. And then tonight it stays muggy. The showers eventually fizzle, and we do it all over again tomorrow and probably all over again Wednesday, Thursday. It feels like the entire week is going to be more of the unsettled with the threatening skies and the chances for showers. Now, the plus side to that, those daytime highs, which should be up over 90, might struggle to get to 90 this week. But of course, that icky, sticky, humid feeling is not going anywhere.